Shwmae and welcome to Teledu'r Tele. In this short video I'm going to look at the J2e5 package and we are going to create an autumn poster. Right, at the moment the page is a bit large, so we go to 50% so that you can see the whole page. I'll change the background colour to start. So I need to go down the bottom here and tick. I want to change the colour. We'll go with an autumny colour of an orange. Great. Then I'll put a title in. Remember, you can put the title wherever you want. It doesn't matter. We'll do it in Welsh. Hydref. And then, if you remember, you have to put the blue squares around that writing in order to change it. And I think I'm quite happy with it. There. We'll change the font. It's a bit too large. We'll go to that. I think we'll just make sure we've got a crafty girls. Make it a bit smaller. I think that title's fine. Okay, I just need a picture then, just to show you how to drag and drop it over. I've gone to the globe. I'm going to type in autumn, and remember this is the Google search inside Hub, so it should be safe. Pick an autumn image, some fantastic beautiful images there. That's a nice one. And we'll increase the size of that. And remember, you've got to get those blue squares around it. I think we could do with a frame around that. So let's add a frame. Make that a nice bright red frame. And there we go. I'm sure you can add many more facts or pictures of the autumn, but I just wanted to run through the basic skills of using the J2e5 package. Remember to save your work up the top. We'll call it Hydref, and that's saved nice and safely. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. I hope the video was helpful.